Hello, welcome to section 5. The title of this section is Angular Services. This section is a dedicated section for services in Angular. Here we will see how to create Angular services, register services in app.module, and how to integrate the services with our components. The title of this video is Creating Product Service. In this video, we will see how we can create the product service. So to do that, let's jump into command prompt, and here we are now in the client app folder. Here we will create a new folder for our services. So mkdir services. So now let's go inside the services folder, and here we will create or generate our service. So to do that, we will write ng g for generate service product -- module app.shared. So our product service has been generated. If we go to Visual Studio Code and open the client app and then check the service, we have to refresh it. So we have this services folder here. We would see we have this product.service.ts and product.service.spec.ts. So we will remove this spec unit test file because Webpack won't be able to compile if we don't install Jasmine. Okay, so now our service has been created. Now if we see the product service.ts file, we will see a boilerplate code. First, let's import the HTTP from @Angular HTTP. Now in the constructor, let's inject this. So private HTTP HTTP. That's very nice. Now let's create a method called getProducts. And this will do is return this HTTP get and then the API endpoint. So ours was products, and then we will use map operator to map the response. So let me put it this way. So response should be response.json. That's pretty awesome. So we have to explicitly add the map from rxjs add operator /map. So now we can see the map operator is working. Now let's create another method, save products, and this method what we'll do is return this HTTP post, and then the endpoint is API products, and we will use the map operator again and res.json. Looks awesome. Okay, we are in the post method, so we forgot to put the product here. So now we will pass the product when we are calling the post method. And here cannot find the name product, so let's create a product of any for now. And we have to pass this here, product and any. Now this it's saying expected 2-3 arguments but got 1. So we missed it. We have to put a comma here. Now it looks good. So here, I think I missed one slash here. So now our get products and save products looks good. Awesome. So what we have to do is we have to also add a provider here, and that is added when we created the service using Angular CLI. So awesome.